reach back a class, you know? No, that's something ever. Time hot, man. I'm waiting on Miss White for collect something from her for carry to class. So, stay tuned. Yeah, board the vessel. Run the class. It's a blessing. Get in there, you know. Alright. Drive out of Robertlightburn High School. Head into class. Yeah. Boy, I tell you, today is a very hot day. When I drive on the AC, but nah waste my gas. But I tell you, the road condition, well, everybody knows say it's bad already. So I have to just take my time and pull through, you know. Know this up though. It's just a great love of mine, yeah. For them, so I have to stop and film this. Honestly, because it's like blessings unabundant. Look at this. Up and about, you know. It's a blessing to see them like this. Wow. Amazing, man. Look at that stallion, man. True nature. Nothing to me like getting to see nature for what it is. Yeah, man, you know, the whole heap of concrete and all these things. No offense to those who live in the city, you know, but I love country. Yeah, so that's why I'm always at display country in this way. Just show you what Jamaica is like through my eyes. It's a blessing. Yeah, just now I'm on my way to Danvers. It's a blessing, man. Come take a look with me. The place is pretty. Yeah, this is where the new bridge is being built. Yeah, just as you pass Funtil coming from Warrant Bay, and just before you reach Funtil on your way to Warrant Bay. It's a blessing. Yeah, limited footage because I reached class late today. Please do walk safe.